Samsung has just released a brand new video in which a woman talks to the phone and says, "I am off to the next meeting, but I need to find an Italian restaurant with outdoor seating and it should be pet friendly."
Can you send that to Luca? Oh, and can you put it in my calendar?
And she asked the assistant to send that to someone and to put that information in the calendar, and then Samsung says a true AI companion is coming. Now this was a teaser released by Samsung and it's quite exciting, and this is presumably the all-new Bixby assistant with AI integration. Now let me ask the current version of Bixby the same thing. Let's see what it does. Bixby, I'm off to the next meeting, but I need to find an Italian restaurant with outdoor seating and pet friendly as well.
Here's what I found online.
As you can see, currently Bixby can fetch some information from the web, but it cannot do something which is mentioned in this video. All this while, Bixby has been a pretty basic assistant which can execute system-oriented tasks or system-related commands pretty well, but it could never come close to Google Assistant. Samsung did initiate this process of integrating Bixby with AI about 10 months ago when they released an update to Bixby which added new command integration to execute AI-related features on the phone. We could ask Bixby to make a call to someone with live translation. Call APPX in Hindi.
Okay, I'll call Apex.
So this call assist feature is an AI feature which was introduced by Samsung on the S24 series. Now this has been integrated into Bixby, and we can command Bixby to make a call using the call assist feature in different languages. We could ask Bixby to open interpreter. All you can do is say, "Bixby, open interpreter." You see, summarize and translate web pages on Samsung Internet. Summarize this page.
Okay, here you go.
There we go. We have got the summary of this. It was integrated into Samsung Note for summarizing, text corrections, creating note cover as well. Bixby, summarize this page. You see, it will select the entire page and it will summarize. Translating call recording using Bixby is also possible now. That was just a start. And now Samsung is going to make Bixby into an AI assistant which can help us do a lot more than executing mere system commands. And already on One UI 7, the latest version of Bixby is installed and it already shows a conversation view in a window. And whenever we restart the conversation, Bixby can respond based on the history, and we can scroll through the history of conversation on the same window, which is pretty cool. This resembles Google's Gemini's conversation view. And Bixby also powered by a feature called Talk to Bixby Without Wake Up, which enables us to answer the phone or reject the call by Bixby commands without even waking up Bixby. I will just say, "Answer the phone." As you see, the call is being answered. I haven't even touched the phone. Through the voice command, we will be able to answer the phone now. We can dismiss alarms or snooze it, or snooze alarm. If I say dismiss alarm, the alarm gets dismissed. I don't have to touch the phone. Dismiss alarm. I can also snooze the alarm by just saying snooze. We can dismiss timer or restart it by using direct commands without waking up Bixby. So Bixby is already an advanced assistant. However, it lacked a seamless integration and a proper mechanism. And now with the AI integration, Bixby should be able to do wonders on the Galaxy phones. So I am quite curious to see what's in the store during the launch event this month. Now coming to the next important topic, the AI subscription fee. Apparently, Samsung is expanding the AI subscription club to Samsung phones, specifically in South Korea. However, at the moment it is unclear whether Samsung will introduce the subscription-based AI features outside of Korea yet. On Samsung's side, it still says that the AI features on Galaxy phones are available for free until the end of 2025, and post that Samsung is expected to charge for some of the AI features, and this is happening for sure. You see, this is not something new. Google is offering free version of Gemini, and if you want to make the most out of Gemini, you need to subscribe to Gemini Advanced. Likewise, Apple's intelligence features are free until the end of 2027. And now if you want advanced AI features, you can subscribe to ChatGPT's plans on the iPhones. So looking at the competitors, Samsung may also be charging for some AI features, if not all of the features. Maybe with the launch of the Galaxy S26 series in 2026, the subscription-based AI features would be introduced. Let's wait and see that. Now you let me know whether you are up for subscription-based AI features features, drop a comment and let me know. And if you find these information useful, tap that like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated with everything that is happening around your phone. That is all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.